I'm Campbell, this is my mixed media channel, and today I want to share with you my freaking favorite watercolor brushes, why they are my favorite, and also why I love the person who creates them. Seriously, Polina Bright, check her out on YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram. She's so talented. Her art is bananas, and she does my favorite things to do myself too, which are faces and animals. She is massively talented, but her watercolor brushes are insane. Because I was like girl fanning over her, I don't know, maybe 1 or 2 years ago, I actually bought her brushes just to support her because I love her work so much. But what I didn't realize when I received her brushes was how much I was going to become obsessed with them. They are amazing. Now, I did a product review on my top 3 favorites, really trying to bring awareness to the fact that there are other also awesome alternatives besides the black velvet. These watercolor brushes, which are without a doubt the most, probably the most popular watercolor brush brands on the market. I know all of my YouTubers, my favorite watercolor YouTubers use these. And I just was so pleasantly surprised by Polina's watercolor brushes. Randomly on my birthday, I get delivered this entirely new box of her brushes. She's updated them. So I thought rather than being selfish and unboxing these all by myself and just using them, I would share this all with you because seriously, her brushes are awesome. All right, let me just give you a little demo to show you why. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you. Not only did she send me this box of brushes, but she also created a coupon for all of my followers. So if you go to either her website, which is polinabright.com, spelled B-R-I-G-H-T, or go to Etsy, Polina Bright Art, you can put my name in and save 10% off your entire order. So that's all caps, Karen Campbell. How nice is that? That is so nice. All right, let me show you these cool brushes. All right, so let's just remove what I was working on. This is hot pressed watercolor paper, so it's not as absorbent as cold press. So as you can see, these are my old brushes. Now I've probably had these 2 years, I think, at this point. And look how nicely their shape maintains its shape. Versus like these ones. By the way, I've only used these ones like twice in total, and these ones I've been using them constantly for 2 years. And look how much better they've held up. Now, originally when I used to teach about, oh no. Oh no. When I used to teach about watercolor brushes, hi Tippy. I used to only be a big proponent of natural bristles, that's what I was trying to say. Oh, look at it, got all staticky, that's hilarious. Because of the ability of natural animal bristles to hold water, more water than synthetic. Well, here's the thing, I don't know what she does, but her whatever synthetic material she uses to create in her brushes holds the water extremely well. And I do think it has something to do with the shape of her brushes and the bristles. So as you can see, and I do talk about this in that other product review, but I just want to show you again. Can you see how long I'm just calling it like the barrel of the bristles, like the body of the bristles is like twice as long as the black velvet. So why this one, the black velvets, obviously also well used and loved, hold so much. These hold just as much by just making those bristles longer and wait for the taper to come until the very end versus, hi Tippy, you're so beautiful. Thank you for not attacking me yet. Versus these ones, which are such a shallow area before the taper begins. So that's the biggest difference. But I also do love knowing that my bristles have not, required the death of an animal, right, Tippy? But I bet Tippy would happily help in the hunting of all those animals. Don't start with me, girlfriend. So these are her new boxes, which I love so much. And I don't actually know what these look like inside. I think they're black. I do stalk her on Instagram. Oh, heck yeah. Whoa. Whoa, mama, that's a huge one. That's a 3. I also like the simplicity of her numbering system. You know, it's not like 0 through 8 when the 8s are still tiny and then you have to go all over. I mean, it's like 0, 1, 2, 3, just done. So this is a 2. I'm really gonna have to move my cat. I'm shocked she's not lashed out at me yet. Hi, baby girl. You a good girl? Are you so good? She's like, I'm about to kick your ass, mama. She's a good girl to be. Oh, here we go. All right, and then this is, okay, so this is the 0. I'm gonna have to actually move my cat because when she starts meowing at me, she's basically warning me I have like seconds until my death arrives. So hold on. I did see on her website right now, and I'm sure she has different, I'm sure this changes all the time. She has a deal, I think she has buy 4 and get the rigger for free, which is a good deal. And if you know the cost of professional watercolor brushes, you will recognize that her brushes are not outlandish in any way, shape, or form. It's quite common to spend over $20 on a single brush. I mean, you use them for years. This is amazing. Why is my camera not focusing? Come on, focus, focus. Oh, there we go. Hello, little camera. So nice to see you. So this is amazing. Yeah, and again, I really appreciate this simplified numbering system. It just makes life easy. And then I also have my very first Polina Bright mop, which I appreciate, which is a shorter bristled brush, much like some of the black velvets. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna break in this one, get some of the sizing out of there. Yeah. So just give you a really, oh no, again, I just got rid of you. Oh no. So, oh Jesus. Oh, okay. Tippy, you gotta go. Okay, and then there's the brush. And now I have to do my cat again. I'll be right back. Sorry about my murder cat. All right, so this is just a nice, juicy, as you can see, this was just green gold. And just a bunch of water. But generally, a synthetic brush doesn't have this staying power to still be creating lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 7 lines. And if I take my, what is this called? Black velvet. 5, 6, 7, 8. That is, and before it poops out, it's about the same. So having a synthetic brush that has exactly the same absorbency as a natural bristled brush is kind of non-existent in the commercial world of watercolor brushes. So I just wanted to draw your attention to, and also explain to my students over at Awesome Art School, because they often ask what I use, and I always give them links to the products that I use and recommend. I just think they're awesome. I really, really do. I think they're very superior. I said that before Polina sent me a free replacement set, by the way. So I did want to make this video though to make you aware of the coupon so you can all benefit from the discounted price. But really seriously, check out her artwork. Her work is just stunning. She's a super cool person, obviously. And I just really believe in what she is doing. The quality of her product, the cruelty-free aspect of her product, and yeah, just highly recommend. Thank you so much, Polina, and you guys go check out her site, polinabright.com, or her Etsy shop, polinabrightart.com, and go make sure you put Karen Campbell in all caps to save 10% on your order. And I do highly recommend getting this set, the 4 plus the free rigger, which is going on right now, and yeah, grab yourself a mop while you are at it. Yeah, seriously awesome. Thank you so much.